HBAN stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is Huntington Bank share stock a buy? I'll be breaking all that down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, as the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos, I have seen what's working for me and what's not. Then ultimately speaking, this is still a bullish market for me. Not in a way where I'm randomly going to start buying, but it's a solid demand zone area for me here. And the thing that I would care the most about is it actually giving me the rules so I can double down and buy more, right? Now, HBAN, I have previous receipts, I'm sure. Yes, I have 5 receipts in this Discord. So how this looks like is actually like nothing new. From 16 to 18, absolutely possible. It's just that one thing that must happen is the confirmation, right? Without this solid confirmation, there's no way that I will look to buy. In the meantime, it's a waiting game, right? Say, this was like a win. So we're not waiting on that anymore. Here's a proof. You know, you might think I'm lying to you. Here's the proof.
To yourself, really.
Boom. That's the after. So that's sick. Let me know what is your opinion. And if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free and get stock picks, click the first link in the description. It's free.